If you're having trouble with two-factor authentication on Hulu and need to reset it, follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Access the Hulu login page. Go to the Hulu website or open the Hulu app on your device. Click on the login button to begin the process of accessing your account. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process, which is necessary for resetting two-factor authentication. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Hulu account. This will allow Hulu to send you a password reset link. Check your inbox for an email from Hulu. Step 4. Follow the password reset link. Open the email from Hulu and click on the password reset link. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. Once you have reset your password and logged into your account, navigate to the account settings. Look for the two-factor authentication option and follow the prompts to set it up again. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your two-factor authentication on Hulu successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Hulu's customer support for further assistance.